sa health, yung forward nila, yun yung mga accounts na bayaran ng World Bank pati Asian Development Bank. Ang yung papel doon, nandoon na pinumard na ata ni ano. So, if the Pacquiao does not know it, I've been telling people that itong gastos ng pandemic, naghiram tayo ng pera sa World Bank, and kung may obligasyon tayo, all they have to do, yung mga creditors can go to non-bank, to the World Bank and claim their dues. Wala hong hinawakang pera. So, maghanap pa si Pacquiao ng iba. Siya yung may sabi may corruption. So, it is his burden to identify the office, and failing to do it, failing to prove his case na may corruption, mahirap talaga itong, you know, when you are a champion in boxing, it doesn't mean to say that you are a champion in politics. So he's blubbering his mouth, tapos na. I am waiting for result for the next department that he would choose to investigate. Pero imbestigahan niya ito, ha. Upuan niya ito. Upuan niya ito, mag-imbestiga siya, huwag siyang padaloy-daloy.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.